Kathak videos. So today I am going to teach you two different compositions in Kathak. One is Paran and second you already know Tihai. We will learn new Tihai also. So first just know about the definition of Paran. What is Paran? Paran is exactly a Pakhavach instrument composition. Pakhavach is a North Indian instrument and this Paran used to play in that instrument only. So in Kathak also we do Paran, and the bowl and the words came from Pakhavach instrument. So this bowls are different from another bowls, another compositions which you have already learned in our previous video. So notation is already ready. First we will do it with Tali Khali, and I am going to explain the notation with this. Okay, so again we will keep the Madhyale Tali Khali. Dha din din dha, dha din din dha, dha tin tin ta, ta din din dha, dit dit dha, kid dha tit dha, dha ke tit dha, kid dha tit dha, kati 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 dha, kat dha. See, so the words are totally different from our previous videos because this is different composition. That's why we call it Paran. It's a Pakhavach composition. So in this you just saw, like in the last we did Kati Tadha many times. So in the last point it is coming with a Tihai mode. Okay. So Kati Tadha, total 9 times. So in this Kati Tadha we will use some different movement or some different things that I will teach you in the practical. Okay. So with the notation dhit dhit dha din din dha dha din, it's taking two divisions of or two avartans of the tal, teen tal. Okay, dha din din dha dha din din dha. So two avartans. In each beat we will go with the words. So dha din dit dit. Okay, dit dit dha, kid dha tit dha, dhage tit dha, kid dha tit dha, kati 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 dha, kat dha. Okay, so kati dha is one pattern. Kati dha 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in the last Kat Dha. Okay, so this is the notation of our Paran. Now we will move to our Tihai notation. Okay, I will prepare it again and going to do it Tihai also, new Tihai with notation. So okay, now our Tihai is ready. Tihai we used to do in such as like footwork only. Mostly we just do the Tihai in footwork part of Kathak. So in footwork part we already did one footwork which is called Tatkar, in which we use Ta thai thai tat, A thai thai tat. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Today I am going to teach you one different style of footwork in which we are using 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Okay, and for that, and as you know, in Kathak we have a different language, so we use the language instead of numbers. Okay, so instead of 1 2 3 1 2 3 we will use ta kita dhi kita. Okay, ta kita dhi kita. Okay, so new footwork. for you all. So it's a simple tihai. First we will start the new footwork in some simple way. Okay, little bit simple. So it's a very simple tihai and the notation is ready. Now first we will do it with tali khali, then notation. Okay, dha din din dha, dha din din da, dha tin tin ta, ta din din da. Takita dekita takita dekita dhati dha a, takita dekita takita dekita dhati dha a, takita dekita dhati dha. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. That gap is there. Okay, so let's do it with notation. Now it's little bit complicated because we are using more words. Okay, so takita diki. So the force, which word is coming to the force, from that word we will start the beat. Okay, so this takita is starting from ta. So takita diki. So diki is coming on second beat. Okay, takita dikita. Okay, understand? Takita dikita takita. Ta is coming on third beat. So takita dikita takita dikita dha. Dha is coming on fourth beat and dhati dha. On fifth beat dha is coming and on sixth there is a gap. So we just put S on that portion. So takita dikita takita dikita takita dikita dhati dha a, takita dikita dhati dha a, takita dikita dhati dha. Okay, so it's coming in time circle. So whatever the most important part, whatever you are learning, you just check everything is coming in the time circle of teen tal, because we are doing 16 beat time circle. Okay, so we are keep following that time circle. Okay, so whatever is coming in the sessions are coming in teen tal only. If we will move to another tal, then the time circle will change and the compositions will also will come in the same time circle. Okay, maybe the words will be same, but the time durations, like time words where we are giving gaps, and the calculation, the mathematic calculation will be different for that time circle. Right now we are doing for teen tal madhele, so it's in 16 beat time circle. Tali, second tali, khali and again tali. Okay, first division tali, second division tali, then third division will be khali and fourth division will be third tali. Okay, so this is the new footwork tihai. Let's do it paran and tihai with practical. So okay, now we will do the movements of paran. Okay, the paran movements will be little bit different from others. Okay, first we will stand in the first position of Kathak. Now first dhit. How we will do the first dhit? We will take our hand from outside to up. Okay, this. Now how the sound of dhit will come? We will tap our right feet. Dhit. Dhit. Okay, so dhit, and your neck will also follow the movement. Dhit. Now second dhit will come from left leg and left hand. Dhit. Okay, so dhit, dhit, dha. Got it? One more time. Dhit, dhit, dha. Now kedha tite dha. In this, now more footwork will also be there with the movements. Okay, so kedha. For kedha we will use the side of our feet, gi. dha, kid dha, kid dha. Okay, this is the footwork. Now the wrist movement we did in our previous video, that we will do with this footwork. Okay, kid dha, kid dha, kid dha, kid dha. Okay, dhe, dhe, dha, kid dha, kid dha. Okay, side, heel, flat, flat, heel, dha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, dhe, dhe, dha, kid dha, kid dha. Okay, now dhage tit dha. In dhage tit dha we will do the tigdha digdi thai round. Dhage tit dha. Okay, so dhe, dhe, dha, kid dha, tit dha, dhage tit dha. Again kid dha, tit, kid dha, tit dha. Same movement. Okay, this is the simplest paran in Kathak dance. So we will start with the simple and go for more difficult movements and difficult compositions also. Now one more time we will do it, the first part, because this part is very important for this paran. If you are doing this paran, it's looking very simple, but when you will combine your movement and footwork, that will bring little difficulty. Okay, but once you will do it again and again, it will come to your body naturally. Now one more time, dhe, dhe, dha. Follow with your eyes. Kid dha, kid dha, dha, kid dha, kid dha, kid dha. Okay, now kat tit dha, kat tit dha, kat tit dha. In this we did a round of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We will go 9 rounds continue. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, we will do ka 1, 2, 3. Kat dha. 1, 2, 3 round, which was 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in this we will take our right hand to the front. Ka, and remember our movement exercise. So with the left hand we will do this movement with the round. Ka, dha. Understand? So after 9th round, ka tit dha, ka tit dha, ka tit dha, ka dha. And when we are finishing this paran now, so we have to give sum. So that sum will be ka dha. Only this much. Okay? So there are 3 movements with 3 taps. 1, 2, 3. Ka ta dha. Ka ta dha. Okay, one more time, this much again. So then we will move to the tihai part. 1, 2, 3, go. Dhe, dhe, dha, kid dha, kid dha, dha, kid dha, kid dha, kid dha. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is the paran in Kathak. Now move to the tihai part. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We are not using everything with flat foot. Okay, it's not 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's flat, heel, heel. Right leg flat, left leg heel, then right leg heel. This is takit. Now for dhikita, we will start with left. Dhi, ki, ta. In the same way which we did with the right, that same part we are doing with left also. So flat, heap, heap. Flat, heap, heap. This is takita, dhikita. Okay? New footwork. So ta, ti, ta, di, ki, ta, ta, ti, ta, di, ki, ta, tha, ti, tha. This is the first pattern of our Tihai. The same pattern we are going to repeat 3 times. Okay? So once more time. Ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tha, ti, tha. Ah. For gap, you can keep the clap. Ah. Okay? Dha, ti, dha. Ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, dha, ti, dha. Ta, ta, ti, ta, di, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, dha, ti, dha. Okay? We did it in slow. Let's do it in the original speed. So, dha, din, din, da, din, da, dha, din, da, ta, din, da. Take it, take it, take it, take it, dha, dha, ta. Take it, take it, take it, take it, dha, dha, ta. Take it, take it, take it, take it, dha. This much. Okay? So, today we did Paran and Tihai. Now let's do it with the Lehra. Okay? Da, din, da, din, da, din, da, din, da, de, da, ked, da, tik, da, tik, da, ked, da, tik, da, ka, 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 da, din, da, din. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Tihai. Take it, dhati, da. Take it, dhati, da. Take it, dhati, da. Din, da, din, da. Ta, hey, ta, ta. In footwork, you keep step like this. Take it, dhati, da. Take it, dhati, da. So thank you so much for keep following our channel, and maybe you are practicing your Kathak dance, and maybe it's helpful for you all. And today you learn Paran and Tihai. Okay, something new. So in next video again we will come with new video. I will teach you something very interesting. So keep following our channel and do subscribe, do like, and please put your comments, because your comments are really important. Thank you so much. See you again. Namaste.